This may not come as a surprise to you कि Dream Girl, in my opinion, is the least of all Ayushmann Khurrana movies, and I say that as a fan. Not anymore. Not anymore. No, I'm still a fan, but you know, it's not. Dream Girl is not the worst film. Hey y'all, my name is Acharita. Welcome back to my channel where we've got a really great international interview dropping in just a few days. Until then, today let's talk about Raj Shandilya's Dream Girl 2, now in movie theaters. Back in Mathura, in this spiritual sequel, Ayushmann is again Karam, who is also Pooja, because किसी के दिमाग में कभी ख्याल आया था how to change Karam ही Pooja है to a full story, and they haven't been able to let go of it. So once again, Karam has to take on the identity of his idea of a woman to be able to fool men around him and get out of financial trouble. If you really think about it and you want to give the movie more credit than it's giving you, then this turning into the idea of a woman to turn heterosexual men against each other because they're all patriarchal fools is pretty much how Greta Gerwig and Noah Baumbach solved the climax of the now billion-dollar comedy Barbie. And if Dream Girl 2 wanted, it could have been an indictment of how women are boxed into pointless roles in society so men can flourish. A sex object, a sexy dancer, a mother, a wife. And if she has the desire to find true love after 3 marriages, a moral-less philanderer with only Shadyantra on her mind. Instead, Dream Girl 2 only wants to be a hit movie. Ayushmann's portrayal of Pooja is insincere, crass and cringe because at no point does he actually realize what it's like to live as a woman. Even as Pooja runs away from her husband in one scene, refusing sex, pointedly saying no over and over, it's not Karam feeling like if he were an actual woman in this moment, powerless, he'd have definitely been sexually assaulted. But instead, the writers use this scene to make him lose his wig, stuff his hands down his blouse, pull out 2 oranges, and I don't know, like have a meal with the guy, I think.
देखिए आप बुरा न माने तो मैं आपकी मांग भर देता हूँ।
मांग भरने के लिए तो पूरा मोहल्ला खड़ा है, बिल कौन भरेगा?
Not to mention the many times beauty filters slip and Ayushmann's face goes from smooth to stubble back to smooth within one scene. It's very jarring. Not only does Karam have no newfound sympathy for women after spending a considerable amount of time pretending to be one, in the long song and dance climax, his girlfriend says sorry to him after he's taken his time to preach on the power of love and inclusion to everyone, including a Muslim family, an older single woman, a bar dance owner, a gay man, a father who just wants to make sure his daughter won't marry a good-for-nothing liar, which is really stupid because guess what Karam turns out to be, as none of his schemes work, a good-for-nothing liar. Just a very unlikable character. Recent films like Jug Jug Jio, Satya Prem Ki Katha and Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani have made solid, decisive attempts to stay within the molds of formulaic Bollywood, the song and dance of it all, while also questioning the very harmful things Bollywood has been preaching since as far as one can recall. A man lies to his wife, she leaves him. A woman doesn't like her new husband, he learns how to be a friend. A man has never been said no to, he understands the power and importance of that word. Sure, in all these above examples, men are still sweet little harmless puppy dogs who only need to be given right instructions. But at least they are listening. The bar is just that low. And these movies were funny. The laughs are many, almost none of them cheap. With Dream Girl 2, the bar drops a little bit lower. We are never once told why Ananya Pandey, named Pari for many Papa Ki Pari jokes, a lady who has managed to become a lawyer in Agra, likes Karam. Why does she hate herself? Chalo, for a moment you buy into the setup that Karam chooses to put on drag and become a bar dancer to make quick and easy money. But why does his alter ego Pooja also need to become a psychiatrist? Doctor होने का नाटक करना ही है तो पूजा क्यों Karam कर ले? When a pregnancy test causes some confusion, leading Rajpal Yadav to think Pooja is pregnant, which she obviously can't be, why is that subplot never mentioned again? कोई तो pregnant हुआ था ना बीच में. I'll tell you why. For movies like Dream Girl 2, full entire life-altering stories and experiences from women's lives are only mildly amusing subplots in the lives of men. The first time Karam turns into Pooja, he's on the phone with a bank official. Karam can't just rely on the fact that, this man on the phone is probably going to hear Pooja's voice and go easy. He opens it saying 36, 24, 36. Because what is a woman if not her body measurement? His version of a woman flirts with every single man she comes across ever because in the minds of these writers, every woman is a tease. Not to mention every single man Pooja meets immediately lusts after her, and again this could have been turned into making a point on how intimacy starved men are in traditional Indian households. But instead, there is another mention of oranges in blouses. If this is 1992, I need to be woken up, please. Every last woman in Dream Girl 2 is an idiot. Much like the previous one, at one point Miss Lawyer brings her paintings to Karam, expecting to sell them for 15 lakhs because she once saw MF Hussain do the same. The 24-year-old Anya Pandey has some work coming up with Vikramaditya Motwane, until which time I'm going to pretend she is under duress to simply do what is being offered to her.
वो फ्लॉप पिक्चर है जिसको हमने इंटरवल के बाद देखा है।
Seema Pava as Phuphi is going through a third divorce in this film, this time with Vijay Raz, who at one point calls her a flop फिल्म जिसको मैंने इंटरवल के बाद देखा है, क्योंकि यही रह गया था। खराब फिल्म की एनालॉजी से मिडिल एज्ड औरत को ऑब्जेक्टिफाई करें, क्योंकि जो आपके आइडल है डेविड धवन, वो तो खटारा गाड़ी बोल ही चुके हैं। Hidden under the layers of misogyny, homophobia and desperation of the equal opportunity offender Dream Girl 1 was a novel, wonderful idea that men are mostly horn dogs. If they even hear a feminine passing voice, talk to them nicely over a phone call, show interest, they will walk out of their marriages, families and jobs. Karam's job was to keep that illusion alive in that film, capitalizing on the fact that no one can see him, and when they do, they are ashamed. Dream Girl 2 isn't bothering with exploring anything deeper than Dream Girl 1 ने 28 करोड़ के बजट पर 200 बनाए थे।
झूठ का आर्म्स है कि सनी की फिल्म देखने जा रहे हैं। सनी देओल की जगह पे सनी लियोनी कदर मचा रही थी।
So on a scale of 1 to 10, Dream Girl 2 is 3 to 4 इकत के कुर्ते सेट पहने हुए हैं अभिषेक बैनर्जी ने, बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर। अभिषेक, if you're watching, please लिंक भिजवा दे कहाँ से मंगवाया। Very nice. फिर से I'm telling you, I have some incredible interviews coming up for y'all. इससे पहले कि मैं सब कुछ इस चैनल पर paywall के पीछे कर दूं, which to be honest I am very tempted to do. Subscribe कर लीजिए and leave a comment इसके नीचे. My name is Sacharita. Thank you for stopping by.